Hello and welcome back. Here's my little helper again. So we've got 2 more parcels today to open up, which I've already scored this one so little fingers don't get hurt. What have we here? Track. This is G45 track.
Probably the trains in the other one.
This is for much bigger trains, which we've also got. And this was another eBay bargain. This was, I think I paid about £12 with shipping, which I thought was really good. So there's a radius there, there's a junction which seems intact.
Straight pieces?
Yeah, oh, it switches over nicely too. And we've got a couple of straight pieces. So we'll add that to the collection for a project to do another day in the garden. Right. Layout was a bit messy today because I've been busy doing DCC controller and getting the slow coated back up and down on the train automatically. So anyway, we'll do a video about that another day. Yeah, ready?
Yeah. Lego!
Big strong muscles, rip it apart. Right, what have we got?
Can I undo it?
Oh, there's even more to undo. You can do it, yeah?
Yeah, on the south.
Okay. Lots of sticky tape. I think there's a piece over this side that we need to undo the stickiness of. Yeah. That's it. And then we'll roll her out. This another eBay item. We will do. So this is a bogey wagon with a boiler attached to it. This cardboard. Okay. Oh, and it's dropped off.
It's supposed to carry it.
It carries it. So let's show it to the camera. What have we got? Yeah, there's the boiler in your little hands, and this is the wagon that we got here. Quite nicely detailed. It's a mainline wagon. That's alright, that'll be nice for our little layout. So there you go, happy days. It's got a bit of detail on the boiler as well.
We've got
all the couplers and buffers, so that's good. So another one for the collection. Well, there you go, that's all the parcels for today. Not too many, maybe more tomorrow. Okay, so in that case, have fun, go build something, and happy railroading. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.